WhatsApp ban is getting scarier than ever, especially if you rely on WhatsApp for your daily marketing, sales, or communications. So, on this particular video, I am going to show you how to stop repeated WhatsApp ban with some tips that you haven't seen before. But before I show you how this works or how to apply these particular strategies, I have two things to show you before we dive into the main video. But make sure to watch this particular video from beginning to the end, because each part or each seconds of this particular video explains something that if you miss, it means you are not going to get everything that we are doing on this video. So the number one thing is I am going to explain this particular one, and I'm also going to explain this other part. These are two different types of ban on WhatsApp. This one says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Meanwhile, this other one says this account can no longer use WhatsApp. So I am going to start my explanation with this particular type of ban. Meanwhile, I am going to explain this one at the end of this video. But before we dive in, welcome back to unofficial. On this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. Sometimes we also share some hack tips to keep your account safe, secured, and locked. So this is what we are going to do on this particular video. So if you want to really understand this very well, make sure to watch this particular video from beginning to the end. So if you're experiencing this type of ban on your WhatsApp, here is what you have to do. First, go to your phone like this. Just go to your phone file manager. After getting to your phone internal storage, just go to internal storage like this. Then you scroll down to Android. You are going to see this particular file right here that is called Android. So click on the Android file. After clicking on the Android file, now click on media. After you click on media, now you are going to see the apps registry that is on your phone. Understand? So these are very, very important. And if you look at this very well, you are going to see WhatsApp here. You are going to see com.whatsapp. You are also going to see another one like com.whatsapp.w4b. So this one actually depends on the types or versions of WhatsApp that you are using. If you are using a WhatsApp Messenger, you are going to see this particular one. But if you are using a WhatsApp Business, you are going to see this one. So always ensure to select the exact WhatsApp that you are having or you are facing the ban issues on. So if you want to know the type of WhatsApp it is, let's click on this particular one to check it out. If I click on it like this, we are going to see WhatsApp Business, right? So if your WhatsApp Business always get banned whenever people message you or you message someone, so this is what you have to do. Just tap on the WhatsApp like this. So after clicking on the WhatsApp, this is what you have to do again. Click on database. So this literally controls your files registry, or let me say your WhatsApp registry, all the database or every activities that you do on your WhatsApp. This particular files controls everything. So you click on the database, and after clicking on the database, you are going to see these things right here. You are going to see these files which controls your WhatsApp. So if you're getting repeated WhatsApp banned, this is what you have to do. You just have to select all these files that you are seeing right here. Select these files, okay? Just select it all like this, mark it all, and you delete these particular files completely from your phone. Or if you don't want to delete it from here, you can go back. You can just go back and you delete the main folder like from here. Just click on it, click and hold, then you navigate to delete depending on your phone. Understand? So you just delete this particular folder if you are getting repeated WhatsApp banned. So after deleting this folder, I have some other things that you really need to know. Do not post a status update. If you are coming back from ban, do not post a status update, or as this may trigger back the ban. So you have to keep your status for just keep it empty for like a week if you really want to get this done. So by doing this, you will definitely get back your account fully up and running without getting repeated banned if you do the things that I just showed you on this particular video. Another extra things that I will want to explain as promised is the other image that I showed you guys. So if you are receiving this type of message, let me explain this particular place as promised. If this is what you've seen on your WhatsApp, it means that your account or your WhatsApp account is permanently banned. So once you receive this type of message on your WhatsApp, there is nothing you can do about it. You just have to keep that account. You just have to forget about it. Just keep it for like 1 month and some days, or within 1 month, 1 week. they will release back the account for you. There is no two ways about it. You don't even need to struggle on how to get it reinstated. You just keep it like that and it will come back by its own. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumb up, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next video. Bye.